Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Tools on Tuesday with the Lawnmower Detective. And today's video is going to be on this kit right here. It is a 12-piece snap ring plier set by Smotive Pro. That's a fancy name. It's fun to say, Smotive. But here's the kit number. As always, I'll leave a description down in the video description. And came from Amazon just like everything else. So let's get to it. I'm going to spin this dude around here. Okay. Now look, isn't that fancy? What you're going to find is an assortment of snap ring pliers. Different angles, different sizes, and they're very unique. They've really, saved me in some precarious situations. Well, like I said, you got different sizes, you got different configurations. You've got 90s, you got 45s, you got straights, and there's 4 different sizes actually. You've got large, let's say medium, and then we got medium, and then we got small. So it is an awesome set. It really makes life easier when you got different scenarios. Like you just got to get that snap ring out of there, and it's 90 degrees or 45 or just straight on. I recently had some snap rings on the front wheels on an old John Deere, I can't remember, D106 or something like that. And my regular snap ring pliers didn't have enough oomph, and ended up breaking those. But so I ordered this kit. Again, it came off Amazon, and it's a cool kit, and it will save your bacon. So you guys take care of each other. Thank you for being here. And don't forget, it's donut time.
It has been a pleasure having you all here. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and please subscribe. Last but not least, click the notification bell so you will know when new videos are posted. Thanks to all of you for your support.